We're going to get into some operations involving matrices. Adding and subtracting, super simple. When we get to multiplying, not so much. The big thing that you need to remember is that in order to be able to add or subtract matrices, their dimensions must be the same. So you can add a matrix that's a 2 by 3 matrix to a 2 by 3 matrix. You cannot add a 2 by 3 to a 3 by 2. They have to be the same dimensions. Okay. When adding or subtracting matrices, all you do is add or subtract their corresponding elements. So I've given you a list of matrices. And number 1, G plus L. So matrix G is a 2 by 2. L is a 2 by 2. So you can add those. So when we do G plus L, we're going to add 5 plus -1. So those are both the elements in the top left. That's element 1, 1. First row, first column. You add those two together. Okay, we're going to add 2 and 5. We'll add 9 and -1. Those are both second row, first column. And -4 and -10. What's 5 plus -1? 4. 2 plus 5? 9 plus -1? Yeah. -4 plus -10 is what? -14. J minus M. Can we do it?
No. Yeah, no.
Yeah, you can. J and M are the same dimensions. All right. So it's minus -7 minus 6, -8 minus -2, and 0 minus 4. -7 minus 6 is what? -13. Good. -8 minus -2. Yep, -6. And 0 minus 4, -4. Right. Any questions? Super easy. All right, number 3, A plus L. Can we do it?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. 3. 5. 1. And 10. negative 1 is 2. 1 plus 5. 10 plus negative 10. Alright, I want you to do 4, 5, and 6. If it can't be done, you can just where possible. Alright, let's go over these. Number 4. Olivia, was number 4 possible? What are the dimensions of your answer in number 4? Kiara, can you tell me the numbers that you got in number 4?
4, negative 7, and negative 20.
5. Gracie Smith, was it possible? No. So K is a 1 by 3. M is 5. Was not possible. Alright. Number 6, Laren, was it possible? This would be a 3. 3 by 1. What numbers are in matrix?
Negative 13, negative 10,
Does that look right? Y'all disagree?
positive 13.
I got 13, 6, and 4.
You probably did J minus M. Alright, so M minus J, 6 minus negative 7 is negative 8 is actually 6. So you probably just went backwards. That's okay. Well, you can do these in your calculator. However, it's going to take longer to type it into the calculator just to add and subtract. Okay, but I'm still going to show you. Alright, so the easy button, zoom up, and it's asking for a number of rows and columns. See, there's a box. If I wanted to change it to 3 rows, I would hit enter on that box and it would change. One alpha zoom. And then when you have the dimensions selected, you go back down to OK and you just asking is G minus F2s. So I actually want to do 2 by 2s. So I'm going to go 2 by 2, hit OK, and then I'm going to type in matrix G. Type the right arrow, type in the 2. If you hit the right arrow at the bottom, like you don't have to hit down and left. If you just keep hitting the right arrow, -4 minus, so I'm going to go outside, minus, and then type in the next matrix L. And 5, -1, -10. And then hit enter. -6, -3, 10. So that does take a little longer. It really would have been faster for me to say, okay, 5 minus. We are going to do other things this unit where you have to know how. Now, one other question. That you have today, you're going to see all of the questions are going to be worded like this. So I'm giving you two matrices, matrix A and matrix B, and I'm telling you that new matrix is matrix C, and I want you to find C21. So what we make by adding A and B. So 4 plus -7 is what? -7 is -3. Okay. -6, -9, 2 and 8, 10, 5 and -5, 0. My matrix C. And now, element, when it says C21, that's an element. 10. Column 1, it is 10. So my answer would be 10. The classroom,